Hi there, I'm Aaron Armstrong and welcome to another KWall tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Accorbis and adding a Drupal block into our layout. So to do this, we would go to Content. We would either add a piece of content in a new landing page, or for the sake of our demo, we're going to edit an existing one. From here, we're going to the main content tab, which is where our components live inside of layout paragraphs. And from here, we can see all of the different components as well as the different sections we have. So we could either add content to an existing section, or for the sake of our demo, we're going to click a new section. We're going to add a container class to it, and we'll keep it as a one column, and we'll click Save. Now that we have our new section, we're going to click the plus icon here, and from here you can see our Drupal block component. If you click on this, we have the ability to give it a section title, which will be a H2 that appears above the block, Aaron's test block. And from here, you're going to get the list of approved content blocks that are global blocks that you could add to a page. So you can see we have one for a footer as well as for a banner. So let's go ahead and add the banner. And we can click Save. And we can see that we have our banner block. We could potentially move this section to the top here. Maybe we know it's a banner, so we're going to remove the section title. We'll click Save. And from here, we'll save our page. We can see that our section title is now here, and you can see how it matches what is above there. So maybe there's an instance where you need to add a global reusable Drupal block to a page. This would be exactly how you do it. Thank you very much.